So why do you think it's hard for local authorities to let go of paper or spreadsheet planning?
Well, they have a sense that everything is under control. And another assumption they have is that making changes is a lot of hassle. They need to invest in knowledge and in time, and changing things is not easy. Better keep it like it is, because that's easy. But the changes are adding up, and there's always a need to make modifications, but they really put it on the long term.
So how does Jewel help with that digital transformation?
What you get when you start using Joule, it's a system, a complete system, not only for the execution, where you can see what is done on a daily basis, but also on the preparation of routes. You can even make a complete waste collection plan. And by having everything digitized, you can work out scenarios, and you can see, okay, minor changes are not that hard. And another part, what's important, nowadays, it's always up to 1 or 2 persons with a lot of experience who do the work. With Joule, you get the possibility to distribute that task. And you can have people that have less knowledge, or maybe even that knowledge, do it in a much shorter time. So the impact of making changes gets much lower than you presume it is nowadays.